Welcome to Silkytreat Channel, easy delicious cooking. On the menu today, one recipe prepared in 3 hours, plus 1 night in the refrigerator and 30 minutes of final preparation and cooking. Croquettes with little North Sea gray shrimp. Ingredients: 500 grams of small North Sea shrimp, a small tablespoon of thyme, 3 bay leaves, salt, pepper, nutmeg, 110 grams of flour, 500 ml of milk, 100 ml of whipping cream, 3 sheets of gelatin, 100 grams of butter, 2 egg yolks, 30 grams of grated cheese. I did use mozzarella, flour, full eggs, and breadcrumbs. Preparation: 500 grams of small North Sea shrimp, which you shell. This takes time and patience given the size of the shrimp. These ones are very small. Keep the heads and carcasses. This will serve to make a cream broth. In a pot, insert the carcasses and heads, add a small tablespoon of thyme, 3 bay leaves, pepper, 100 ml of fresh whipping cream, 500 ml of milk and boil. Insert 3 sheets of gelatin into cold water and set aside. In skillet, melt over low heat 100 grams of butter, add 110 grams of flour and whip well. Add the cream broth sauce by sifting it beforehand, whisk vigorously, and cook for 3 minutes over low heat. Add the 3 sheets of melted gelatin. Voila, your roux is ready. Add the small shelled shrimp, nutmeg, pepper, and mix well. Taste and if necessary add salt. In a mold previously buttered, insert the preparation and film on contact. Refrigerate overnight to make the preparation compact. The next day, in a soup plate, beat 4 whole eggs, salt, pepper, a plate of flour, a plate of breadcrumbs. Form small rectangles with the dough, coat with flour, then dip into the beaten eggs, and then the breadcrumbs and fry in neutral oil at 190 degrees Celsius for 2 to 3 minutes maximum. Do not overcook. Fry fresh parsley to decorate this preparation, as well as a lemon wedge whose juice you will use on the croquettes. Enjoy these meals. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, like and comment if you wish.